Hi dental fans, in this video I'm going to tell you how much a snap-on denture costs. I'm Dr. Rich, a general dentist with over 20 years of experience. I'm helping you learn about dentistry and teeth so that you can have a very nice smile. So the usual answer to how much a snap-on denture costs is, it depends. I know, that's not what you want to hear. Well, the reason you hear that often is because there are a lot of variables involved. So in this video, I'm going to make some assumptions so I can tell you what the cost will be. First, I'm going to assume that you are missing all your teeth and have upper and lower full dentures. Second, I'm assuming you want a lower snap-on denture, which is also called an implant retained overdenture, on 2 implants. Third, I'm going to assume you don't need any bone grafting. So, to sum it up, you will need to have 2 dental implants placed, 2 snap-on posts placed onto the implants, and a lower snap-on denture with a metal frame inside to give it some strength. Now keep in mind that dental fees will vary from place to place. I'm in the United States and my office is in Westchester County, New York. That's about 25 miles north of Manhattan. I'm in a pretty high cost of living area, so prices here will be higher than other parts of the country or other parts of the world. For the implants, I charge $16.50 for each implant. That price includes any small bone grafting that I need to do. It also includes free replacement if one of the implants fails to integrate. Implants tend to heal very well, and the chances of it not healing are low. Next cost is the posts that fit onto the implants. These posts are the ones the snaps snap onto. I charge $500 for each post. Last cost is the overdenture itself. It consists of the plastic overdenture with a metal framework embedded inside for strength, the snaps inside the overdenture, and all the follow-up adjustment visits. The cost is $3,800. So the total cost of an implant retained overdenture on 2 implants is $8,100. Again, that's based on you not needing any extractions, bone grafts, or other dental surgeries. The cost may be more or less in your area. So tell me, how much did you spend on your overdenture? Please let me know in the comments below. Thanks very much for watching, and see you in the next video.